ICSE Mathematics Class 9th, Chapter Test 2, Question number 6. Question number 6 states that a sum of rupees 12,000 deposited at a compound interest become double after 5 years. After 20 years, it will become देखिए ऑप्शन क्या दिया है 48,000, बी ऑप्शन 96,000, सी ऑप्शन 1,90,000, डी ऑप्शन 1,92,000. Let us do it. These are the multiple choice questions. $12,000 is the principal amount, so the amount will be equal to 12,000 into inside the bracket 1 plus r by 100 raised to power 5. That will be equal to 2 into 12,000. Amount ये हो जाएगा, इसके डबल हो जाएगा. So 100 plus r by 100 raised to power 5 will be equal to 2 into 12,000 upon 12,000. 12,000 cancelled. 2 will be here. So 12,000 into 1 plus r by 100 raised to power 20 will be equal to 12,000 1 plus r by 100 raised to power 5 whole raised to power 4. Whole raised to power 4, that will be equal to 12,000. अब देखिए ये जो है इसकी वैल्यू जो है that is equal to 2. यहाँ से हमने वर्कआउट किया. दिस इज इक्वल टू 2. सो राइट डाउन हियर 2 raised to power 4 from 1 I have written. So now 12,000 into 2 raised to power 4, that is 16. So multiplied by 16, it will be equal to 1,92,000. So the option D is the correct option. Now come to the question number 7. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest on sum of rupees 4,000 for 2 years at 5% per annum payable yearly is A option 20 rupees, B option 10 rupees, C option 50 rupees, D option 60 rupees. Now let us do it. Question number 7, 4,000 inside the bracket. इसी प्रिंसिपल के लिए ये प्रिंसिपल सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के लिए भी प्रिंसिपल है और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के लिए भी हमने इसको बाहर रख लिया. 1 plus 5 by 100 whole raised to power 2. This will be the amount. Minus 1 means that is the compound interest. So minus 1 minus simple interest, that is 5 into 2 by 100, that is 1 by 10. So it will be equal to 4,000 outside of the bracket as it is. 441 upon 4,000 minus 1 minus 0.1. It will be equal to 4,000 inside the bracket. 441 minus 1.1 into 400 whole divided by 400. It will be equal to 10 inside the bracket. देखिए 4 है, 400 है और ये 4,000 है, इसको डिवाइड कर दिया, 10 आ गया यहाँ पर. 441 minus 440, that will be equal to 10 into 1, that is 10. So option B is the correct option. Now come to the question number 8. If the difference between the interest and the compound interest on a certain sum of money for 3 years at 10% per annum is 31 rupees, the sum is rupees 500, B is 750, C is 1,000, D is 1,250. Let us do it. Question number 8. This is the principal. P inside the bracket 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to power 3 minus 1 minus 10 into 3 by 10. So P, that is principal, 11 by 10 raised to power 3 minus 1 minus 0.3 will be equal to 31. So इसको सॉल्व किया 1.331 माइनस 1.3. अब देखिए यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है, 1.3 माइनस कर दिया तो 0.031 आ गया एंड इसको हमने डिवाइड कर दिया 10 का क्यूब था जो यहाँ पर, यहाँ से डिवाइड करना था. So the principal will be equal to 31,000 divided by 31, it will be equal to 1,000. So the option C is the correct option for it. Now come to the question number 9. On what sum of money will the compound interest for 2 years at 5% per annum amount to rupees 164? Option is 1600, 1500, 1400 and 1700. These are the 4 options. Now see question number 9, that is P as it is outside of the bracket 1 plus 5 by 100 whole square minus 1. This will be equal to 164 given already. So the P inside the bracket 441 upon 400 minus 1, that will be equal to 164. P 441 minus 400 upon 400, that is equal to 164. Therefore the P principal will be equal to 164 into 400 upon 41. It will be equal to 1600. So the option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct option. Now come to the question number 10. A sum of money becomes 8 times in 3 years if the rate is compounded annually. In how much time will the same amount at the same compound rate become 16 times? That is, A option is 6 years, B option is 4 years, C option is 8 years, D option is 5 years. So let us do it. Question number 10 को देखिए, P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 3 and that will be equal to 8P. 8P का मतलब हो गया 8 times of the principal. So P and P will be cancelled and this 8 can be written 2 raised to power 3. It means that to complete this bracket will be equal to 2. Here I have written it 100 plus R by 100 raised to power 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So 100 plus R by 100 equal to 2, that is R will be equal to 200 minus 100 and it will be equal to 100%. Therefore, the principal P into 100 plus 100 by 100 raised to power T, that is 16P, will be equal to 200, here देखिए 200 by 100 raised to power T, that is, इसको कट करने में तो 2 आएगा 2 raised to power 4. 16 है, 16 को हमने लिखा 2 raised to power 4. So here solve किया 2 आया 2 raised to power T is equal to 2 raised to power 4. इसको सॉल्व करोगे 2 आएगा, इधर 16 को हमने लिख दिया 2 raised to power 4. So 2 raised to power T is equal to 2 raised to power 4. It means that T, that is time, is 4 years. So option B is the correct option. That's all.